Come see this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Lieutenant. The Silverado 1500 has the following options: 4-wheel drive, mirror, inside rear view manual day-night, windows, power with driver express down, transfer case, electronic auto-track with rotary dial controls, requires 4 WD models. Battery, heavy-duty 600 cold cranking amps, maintenance-free with rundown protection and retained accessory power, alternator, 145 amps, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, suspension, front independent, coilover shock, suspension, rear 2-stage multi-leaf springs, semi-elliptic, steering, power, rack and pinion. It has an automatic transmission and a gas ethanol V8 4.8L/293 engine. See it for yourself at Thornhill Ford Lincoln, USRT 119 Admiral Road, Chapmanville, West Virginia, 25508.